Where are you directing your sexual energy every single day? Because I guarantee you, you are directing it somewhere. Maybe it's controlling you, driving your impulses, making you do weird things. But once you learn to work with this energy and guide it, then you can use it for absolutely anything. Hey guys, I'm Jonathan Wyatt. I'm here to help you master your sexual energy so you can manifest your ideal life. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified when I release new videos and go live. Make sure you get my free ejaculation control course through the link in the video description below. So I'm out here in the woods of Unicoi State Park in Georgia. I was speaking at an event here, and I want to share a little bit about how sexual energy amplifies things. So one of the qualities of sexual energy is that it's a powerful amplifier. When you think about it, it's the power of sperm and an egg combined, multiplying themselves millions, trillions of times to become an entire human body. That is the power of sexual energy. It amplifies things it comes in contact with as well. It can amplify your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings. And this can be either a positive or a negative thing. It also bonds you to these things as well. It's like a psychic super glue, right? So this can be a double-edged sword. This can be a positive thing, but this can also be a negative thing. And unfortunately, what we're seeing mostly in the world right now is the amplification and the bonding of people to negative thoughts, emotions, actions, and toxic relationships with their sexual energy. Violence has been amplified with sexual energy. Addiction has been amplified. All these horrific sexual acts that have been happening for, hundreds and thousands of years, human trafficking, the porn industry, all these nasty energies are being amplified with sexual energy. So you wonder why, when you're addicted to porn, why you go on such a steep downward spiral in your life. It's because you're amplifying the depression, the loneliness, the addiction. You are gluing yourself to these habits and amplifying them, and that's all you know, right? The good news is that when you learn to control your sexual energy and redirect it in your body, you can start to amplify yourself and bond yourself to the things you actually want to expand in your life. You can amplify joy, pleasure, love, connection, success, creativity. So first of all, you have to become aware of how you're using your sexual energy, what direction you're sending it in. Are you sending it out of your body? Are you feeding these weird habits? Are you sending it to sexual images, random people having sex on the internet, feeding astral entities? Or are you circulating this energy in your body consciously with love, with pure intentions? Are you channeling it into art, into creativity, into service to the world? And when you start to do these things, then you start to step into a much higher version of yourself. Your life starts to unfold in a much more positive way, and really you can become a superhuman. This is the power of working with sexual energy. And you can also use this energy to start to manifest things in your life. And this again comes down to your intent. It comes down to the actions that you're taking. What things are you doing every single day? Where are you directing your sexual energy every single day? Because I guarantee you, you are directing it somewhere. Maybe it's controlling you, driving your impulses, making you do weird things. But once you learn to work with this energy and guide it, then you can use it for absolutely anything. So you build up this sexual energy in your body by practicing semen retention, and then you direct it into what you want to create. You're doing your sexual kung fu practice. Circulate your energy through the microcosmic orbit, circulate it through your body, and then you do your work. You create your art, you work on your business, you go out into the world and you create, and you have that powerful sexual energy as a driving force, moving you to accomplish great things, moving you to balance yourself and to create good in the world. And I think that this is one of the most important things for creating a serious shift in the world, is the liberation and the conscious evolution of humanity's sexual energy. Because for thousands of years, we've been programmed to use our sexual energy in very distorted ways, only experiencing sexual energy as lust, only experiencing it as flowing outward and downward out of our bodies, right? And when we learn to recycle our sexual energy and use it consciously with loving intent instead of dark, lust-driven, violent-driven impulses, then we will see a serious shift in the entire human race, and the planet will transform. And if you want to know where to begin, I recommend working with the Microcosmic Orbit. Check out my guided meditation. Also check out my testicle breathing video. This is the practice that you want to use every day to start creating an internal pathway for the sexual energy to move within your body, recycle, instead of impulsively sending it out of your body. And then you can start to channel it into whatever it is that you're doing, and you will see some amazing changes start to occur in your life. If you want to learn more about working with your sexual energy, learn to have non-ejaculatory orgasms, learn to master the sexual energy to manifest and amplify the highest version of yourself, check out my 12-week course, Multi-Orgasmic Man. I'll put more information in the description of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Have a great day, my friends.